Okay, hello again. So today I'm going to cook a very easy, quick and easy meal. It's a ready marinated chicken. This one is a Greek style. I bought this one at Aldi and it's a combination. It's already pre-marinated in lemon, oregano and garlic. This one's just under 1 kilo in weight and you can see it there. And this is a very easy meal to cook for yourself or your family at night. It only takes about 35 minutes. It's recommended on the back of the packet, but I'll probably cook it a little bit more than that because, as usual, I like my chicken cooked so it's very tender and falling apart. So this one's already pre-boned, I believe, so we'll have a look at it when I get it out of the packet. Right, there's the chicken straight out of the bag, so you can see it's got the nice marinade on it, and it's also, as I mentioned before, it is totally boned. So this is just all chicken meat and with the real nice marinade on it. You can see it there in there. As usual, I've also put some water in the bottom of the bowl, which makes clean up of the bowl just so much easier after the cooking process. So I'll put it in now and set the temperature for 180 to 190 degrees, and we'll come back and have a look at it a little bit later. Okay, the chicken's now been in for the recommended cooking time of 35 minutes. You can see it's gone quite brown in there, but I feel that I'll probably cook it for longer than this, and we'll have a look in the lid and see how it's going. Right, you can see it's quite brown in there. Okay, I've now taken the chicken out. I gave it about another 10 to 15 minutes and it's really nicely cooked. You can see nice cooked through, putting the fork in. Juices are coming out clear. There's a piece here. Looking at this piece, you can see how nice and moist that piece is there. Really, really nice. So very nicely done. So that took, I put it on, as I said, left it on for another 15 minutes. And so 45 minutes all up it took. So a very easy way to cook a marinated chicken. An easy meal for the evening for the family. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one.